Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. We are diving into something super cool for all you React developers out there. If you ever wanted to add animations to your React apps without any hassle, then you are going to love this video and I'm going to show you today React Beats. So you can see the website, it's reactbeats.dev and it's an incredible component library that makes adding complex beautiful animations to react projects in a breeze. No more wrestling with complicated css transitions or imperative animation libraries. So with react beats it's all about simple declarative components. You can find more details and instruction in their github page. You can see they actively maintain this. I like it so much because there are so many libraries it came out but they don't maintain. Also adding their component in the project pretty much easy and straightforward. Just check, they have very cool animations, I text animations, they got some overall device animations. Then you can customize those from here and copy that code. So see target this, I haven't seen that target cursor. There is gradual blur. Cool. So this is more like a combination of glassomorphism with mesh gradient. Anyway, it's nice. So how you can add this to your app is directly go to code. You see there is in installation they have used math.js here. You just need to straightforward copy this. If you're using tailwind you can just select on tailwind and the component will be converted to tailwind based config. And if you're using css or css, that's fine, just select on the default and copy. And remember, if you are using typescript just select ts, or if you're using plain vanilla javascript then use just, that's it. So there are also full animation components you can see. These are very actually useful and creating a very professional website is very easy with this library. Also I've seen these backgrounds, these are really nice, you guys got to check this. See, this is a aura background, this is a plasma background. So yeah, go on check yourself out. Also technically these are the things that you need to get started. Things are evolving, things are changing over time. If you don't keep yourself motivated and up to date with these libraries or what else coming out, you will just stay behind because someone will use these libraries and create a website with professional ease in time. So go ahead and comment which one is your favorite component in the React Bits. Good luck, guys.